Okay, hello guys. Today I'm playing Fly Crash Simulator. So what plane did you want? This, or this? My dad said he loved this. So what map did you like? Tree Crash, no Crash, Bridge. I think not this street. We're gonna fly. This is Captain Mali. I have 1991. Because the fuel is low. So today we're gonna fight. Come on. Oh no. Stop the engine. My plane! Oh no, my plane! Oh, my plane is broken. Oh, look at these pieces. So we can't land in the gravel. So this is when you want to be a pilot. This is the when you want to be a pilot, but
waktunya gajian. Shopee gajian sale. Promo puncak tanggal 25
add. So today I gonna night. Today I gonna fly. This is Captain Malik. We're gonna... No. La. Yeah, my plane. Next, we're gonna fly into the snow. We're gonna fly. This is Captain Malik speaking. We're gonna fly in the night. We're gonna land it because the fuel is gone. We're gonna have an emergency. Oh, there's. Gonna land. Come on. Oh, no. The plane crashed into the airport. I can't see anything. Okay, that again. So this is night. So this is Captain Malik speaking. We're gonna fly this rocket. So please passenger, be careful because we're gonna fly into a bridge. passengers, we're gonna sink. Crash. Oh no. My plane. Oh no, my plane. We're gonna wait for a minute for sink. Yeah, my YouTube is for gaming. No, my plane sink to the bottom of the ocean. The bridge? Oh, the bridge is still okay. So next, we're gonna because our fuel is gone, we're gonna land again. No, my aircraft broke. It's broke. Now it's broke. My aircraft! Oh my aircraft. No, my aircraft. So next, this is but not I'm playing. Nice. We're gonna land in 90. Huh? Huh? What? What? Okay, we got a crash. Why the plane is like this? The engines? Let's see. Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh. So this is the end of this video, but not end. So next we're gonna the tree map again. No. Let's setting. No, let's setting. When you want to play this game, yeah, nice in no Wi-Fi. So no. This is Captain Mike speaking. Oh my. Oh, that's my lot of trees broke. My. So next is the snow map. Oh my. Oh. This is oh my. That's the plane crash. Just who is driving in this plane crash?
Build and manage your own airline empire, where every detail matters, and you're the boss.
Okay, next is this. Oh, we got a lot. Nice. We got a touch. Slowly landing. No. I think we're gonna crash. Yeah, it's crashing. So next is the bridge. We're gonna fly to the It's broke. This is fast. Let's see, is he sinking? Oh, look at the pieces. The path? No. Who survived in this plane crash? No, because all dead. No one is surviving in this plane crash. Oh, nice. Oh, the night. Oh, but. Next is.
Dengerin apa ya? Di Spotify tinggal tekan play. Di sini musik yang membuat kamu.
Oh, because ad. So next is the big map. No. So this is the end of this video. When you want to see more of my videos, just like and subscribe, okay? Bye.